Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to save 10% on Chipotle every order with Cash App. So the first thing you're going to need to do is sign up for Cash App, obviously. If you haven't yet, you can use the link in the description and get $5 for free. Once you sign up, you'll have your bank account connected and you'll be able to send money back and forth from your bank using this cash balance section here at the top of the screen. Just hit the buttons add cash or cash out. So you see I have about $102 balance in the app, and I can use this to purchase things, send money to people, buy stocks, crypto, whatever. But here's the main thing. You're going to want to go to this card screen. You can get a Cash App card. You'll go through the process of getting the card. They'll send you a physical card in the mail. You can swipe that card, tap it, insert it, use it online, or use it with Apple Pay. And that card is going to spend your cash balance here in the app. So here's the big thing that you want to know. They have these discounts here that you can select in the middle of the screen, and there's hundreds of different options. You can see that I was on Shake Shack right now. We can go to Chipotle and tap on this one. It's going to give us our details. So this expires in 17 days, but after that it should just reappear right away again, and you can continue to use it. So this says valid once every 24 hours. So you can use this once per day the next 17 days. And then this discount will probably appear again. You just need to reselect it. So minimum order of $1.50, maximum discount of $5. So if you do an order over $50, the max is going to be a $5 discount. But anyways, 10% off every day at Chipotle. Tap add offer. Go back. You can see that offer is added there in the middle of the screen. And now whenever I go to Chipotle, I can swipe the physical card that they gave me. It will use this cash balance and give me 10% off. If you don't like carrying a card with you, you can use Apple Pay here. Use this card, hold it near the reader, and it'll do the same thing. And there you have it, how to get 10% off Chipotle and other restaurants every day using Cash App. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.